Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up Nothing Community widget on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is hold your finger in the home screen and now click to widgets. Now here, we need to scroll until we see Nothing headlines. Now here, as you guys can see, it says display the latest news from the Nothing community. So now we can just drag it here. As you guys can see here, we already got the news. And if we want to put it on the lock screen, then we can simply hold our finger, go to customization. Now select the lock screen and click on tap to add widgets. Here, we need to go to Nothing headlines again. And here, we need to drag it. So this is how you can easily do that. Now let me show you guys that it works. Simply when I lock my phone, here as you guys can see, we will see it on the always on display, and we can also see it here. So this is how you can easily do that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.